Have you ever faced difficulties in presenting your LinkedIn profile effectively? As everybody passes the first hurdle of making a LinkedIn account. But the most problematic situation is when people found their profile not as effective to make the right impact and not as good to rank on LinkedIn. In this video, you will learn about building a profile so that people can find you by just typing your name on the LinkedIn search bar. In this video, I will mention some points that you should follow to make your profile neat and attractive.
You should add a good professional photograph on profile pic as well as on background. By attention grabbing headline, I mean your headline should be telling your position or the activity you are doing on LinkedIn. Make a compelling summary. While making LinkedIn accounts, summary plays an important role because it conveys the message who you are and what services you are providing. So in your summary, you should tell more about yourself and activity you are doing and expertise you are having. Detail your work experience. I see many profiles that they update their only present work experience, not their past. So you should also add your past work experience as well to make your LinkedIn profile more attractive. Add skills and get endorsements. Adding a skill is also an important part because adding skills highlights your performance and the expertise you are having, and getting endorsements for particular skill, you will highlight your skill on LinkedIn that I am having this expertise and getting endorsements from my colleagues and friends or any other person on LinkedIn. So this is a representation of good LinkedIn profile, how a LinkedIn profile should look like. He is having a good background image, professional profile pic, and a good headline which telling about his position in a cloud enterprise company. Use a profile to build a brand. You can also use a LinkedIn profile to create brand awareness about your organization. Like, you need to be more creative to add rich media and posts on LinkedIn so that people can know more about your brand. Create a profile that represents you. By representing you means if you are working for some organization or you are handling any organization, then you should post more about that relevant content so that people can know more about you and your organization. Craft your profile and add good headline to it. As I mentioned before, headline should be attention grabbing. If your profile is not up to mark, people will not reach out to you. So profits of updating your profile is your work experience will get 5 times more connections than today. Current position get 8 times more views. Current location get 9 times more views. So you can see how profitable following these steps will be. If I talk about media, then it refers to the content you are posting on LinkedIn, like image, a video, or any article you are posting. So add rich media to your summary and work experience. You should be adding summary in a detailed way, not short summary like 1 or 2 lines. It will not affect your LinkedIn profile. And work experience, you should add for which company you have worked, a quick summary about that company also. Add important information relevant to your profile. If your profile is to target decision makers, then your profile should be in a detailed and organized account. Use keyword to make summary effective. If you want to rank your profile in LinkedIn search engine, then your summary must be SEO friendly. By SEO friendly, I mean you should add keywords in your summary so that people can reach out to you more easily, and your profile also get ranked high easily. Thank you. Let me know if you want to know more about how you can enhance your LinkedIn profile effectively.
Thank you for watching this video, and let me know if you require more videos on the same in the comment section. And if you want to know about sales navigators, you can watch out our previous video. The link is in the description box. Please hit the like button, share, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel because there are many more interesting topics coming your way.